Hey, Brad Chandler. I'm CEO of Express Home Buyers and president of Brad Chandler Coaching. I literally decided 24 hours before CarrotCamp started to come out here. And it was a really tough decision because I got a lot going on and I've got kids. But man, am I glad I came. What a beautiful place. Roseburg, Oregon is amazing. The stuff that we've done and the people I've met has been really great, and I can't wait to come back next year. The group of people here are mostly advanced investors, so I got to learn some new tactics. But just being in this environment with Trevor and on Carrot and what he's built, it is the most amazing website for investors out there. I recommend it to all of my students. I actually have a company that we do about 250 wholesale deals a year, and I have a coaching company where I teach students how to do that. And I tell all of my coaching students, you've got to get an Investor Carrot site because they are the best in the business. So if you're a Carrot customer, you ought to think about coming out here. If you're not a Carrot customer and you're in the real estate investment space, you have to get a Carrot site and come out here and participate in this event next year. I think they're having one in a couple months, so I can't wait to come back to the next one. We got to do some mountain biking, walk along the river, have dinner along the river, have these incredible mastermind sessions where some really sharp people shared what's working in their business. I shared a lot about what was working in Express Home Buyers that allows us to do almost 250 deals this year without my day-to-day involvement. So just a lot of great people here. If you're thinking about it, you're on the fence, get off the fence, come hang out in beautiful Roseburg, Oregon with some fine folks, and I promise you, you won't regret it.